First got water. We'll see how it goes. I just finished my cut water. And yeah, I feel tipsy just with one. So I would say that this is a good option if you want to get tipsy with $4. Yeah. I feel like if I would do another of this, I feel like I would black out because I'm not like, I'm not a person who drinks a lot. So, but yeah, I feel like this is a good option if you just want to relax and just have a drink. So, yeah, that's my review. Also, it does have 12.5. So, I would say that this is like 3 glasses of wine. So, I do get why people get like blackout and like wasted with two. So, yeah, that's my review.